people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Berlay's Kitchen. So today guys, it's our wedding anniversary and I'm going to prepare steak, T-bone steak, and my side dish would be Brussels sprouts, roasted Brussels sprouts, and sweet potato fries. So let's start cooking. So let's take the yellow leaves. I'm going to cut it into half. And now guys, you have to preheat your oven into 400 degrees Fahrenheit while we are putting our Brussels sprouts into a large Ziploc. And then we're gonna put olive oil, salt, and pepper. And be sure to coat your Brussels sprouts with olive oil. So put generously with olive oil. Seal the bag and start shaking until Brussels sprouts are well coated. So let's transfer the Brussels sprouts onto a baking sheet. So to ensure the Brussels sprouts caramelize, make sure the cut side or the flat side is facing down. So we have to do this one. Also, do not overcrowd the baking pan. Leave a little space. So roast your Brussels sprouts for 20 to 30 minutes until the outer leaves are lightly charred or brown. They should be crisp on the outside and tender in the center. I'm going to add bacon cubes. So it will be more tastier, and I will not add again salt. Bacon or 20 to 30 minutes. Hi again guys. So while the Brussels sprouts are in the oven, let's proceed to the next menu. For the next dish, I'm going to cook the steaks. I have T-bone steaks, rump steaks. So I have three different steaks here. So I'm going to prepare this one. butter, garlic, rosemary, and olive oil. Our Brussels sprouts.
Bless food may you bless her always. We thank you for today's anniversary day of my parents. May you continue blessing their marriage. And may you continue to guide them in their decision making and help them be for each other at all times. Amen.
Amen.